Hey there, let's jump right in. Number 1. The Great Red Spot on Jupiter. Imagine a storm so huge that Earth could fit inside it more than once. This gigantic storm has been raging for at least 350 years, longer than any hurricane on our planet. Its winds can reach up to 430 kilometers per hour, faster than the strongest tornadoes on Earth. The reason for its reddish color is still a mystery, but scientists think it might come from chemicals in Jupiter's atmosphere reacting with sunlight. Number 2. Nuclear pasta. It's one of the strangest substances in the universe. It forms inside neutron stars, where the pressure is so enormous that atoms are literally squeezed together. Imagine a material stronger than all the steel, concrete, and diamonds combined. Scientists believe that nuclear pasta is the hardest material in the universe. Breaking it would require a force greater than all the bridges, skyscrapers, and mountains on Earth put together. It got its name because, under a microscope, its structure looks like lasagna, spaghetti, or twisted noodles, but made entirely of neutrons. A single piece, the size of a sugar cube, would weigh millions of tons. Number 3. Tabby's Star. Tabby's star is one of the strangest stars ever observed. Its brightness drops by tens of percent, and it does so irregularly, as if someone is turning off a light without warning. No other star behaves like this. At first, scientists thought dust clouds were blocking its light, but the drops are too deep and inconsistent. Others suggested that passing fragments of comets might be responsible, but there would have to be an enormous number of them to cause such variations. The most interesting part is that the star itself doesn't cool down or change its structure. It remains as stable as any other star. Only its light periodically disappears, leaving astronomers puzzled. Number 4. Fast radio bursts. Fast radio bursts are incredibly powerful flashes of radio waves that last less than a millisecond, yet during that time release as much energy as our sun produces in several days. Their origin is still not fully understood, which makes them one of the most mysterious phenomena in the universe. Some bursts appear only once, while others repeat, as if something billions of light years away is pulsing periodically. Scientists suggest that their sources could be neutron stars with extremely strong magnetic fields, or something even more exotic that we have not yet imagined. Number 5. Gamma ray bursts. Gamma ray bursts are the most powerful energy explosions in the entire universe. They are so bright that in a few seconds, they can release more energy than our sun will produce over its entire lifetime. These bursts come in two types, short and long. Short bursts most likely occur when two neutron stars collide. Long bursts happen when a massive star dies and collapses into a black hole. Although they occur very far from us, their power is so great that if such a burst happened in our galaxy and was aimed at Earth, it could destroy the atmosphere. Fortunately, these events are extremely rare, and we study them as natural giant beacon explosions that illuminate the farthest corners of space. Number 6. Cannibal galaxies. Cannibal galaxies are the galaxies that literally eat other galaxies. But it sounds scarier than it actually is. In the universe, this happens all the time. Large galaxies attract and absorb smaller ones because they have stronger gravity. Our Milky Way is also a cannibal. It has already absorbed several dwarf galaxies and will eat even more in the future. When a galaxy absorbs another, the stars of the smaller galaxy are gradually pulled into the larger one and become part of it. Sometimes these collisions create new stars, and sometimes they stretch the galaxies into beautiful arcs and streams. The most famous example is the Andromeda Galaxy. It is already pulling in several neighbors and will eventually meet the Milky Way. This is not a cosmic disaster, but a natural process. Most stars will not collide at all because the space between them is enormous. But the shape of our future galaxy will change dramatically. It will become a new combined giant system. Number 7. Vampire stars. Vampire stars are the stars that suck material from their neighboring star. They form in binary systems where two stars orbit very close to each other. If one of them becomes denser and heavier, it literally begins to pull gas from the surface of the other. Imagine two stars next to each other. One has expanded and become weaker, while the other is dense, hot, and hungry. The gravity of the dense star pulls material from its partner's outer layers, creating a stream of gas between them, like an energetic bridge. Sometimes a bright disk of spinning material forms around the vampire. It shines so intensely that it can be seen even from other galaxies. Sometimes such a pair ends very violently. The vampire star can pull in too much material and explode as a supernova. In other cases, it simply rejuvenates because the fresh gas makes it brighter and more active than it should be for its age. And we're done. Thanks for watching and stay curious.